It's incredible. Look at the devastating impact of plastic waste. Shunk up one non-profit organization to withdraw one total of 3.45 tons of debris. North Pacific Waste Junior Plastic. Since the beginning of their operations, the specially designed cleaning system and the cameras powered by LIA are used to extract waste from the ocean. And during the first waste disposal operation of the year, they were able to extract 6-mil-cent-s of waste, including plastic waste related to fishing. The system moves slowly under the ocean to protect marine skin, and the organization aims to recycle waste, collected plastics, and transform them into sustainable plastic products. The project was launched in 2013 with the goal of cleaning 90% of the plastics floating in the ocean within 2040, using 2.4 kilometers long barrier to speed up the cleaning process. The North Pacific Waste Junior, 3 times bigger than France.